Why would I sabotage my own case? Principles, maybe?
He's barking at a remote.
Slipping on this year here. What is life? Then after a new Dateline mystery, all eyes are on Jay at 10 Central with special guest First Lady Michelle Obama. Oh! New Law and Order, new Dateline, new Jay. It's all new tonight on NBC. Michelle Obama in a First Lady's purse.
That's hilarious.
Have your favorites at your next get-together. So warm, flaky. It may be the last time Chips and Dip are invited back. Flavoring appetizers for Hillberry.
You said strawberry Pop-Tart, but I said warm, fresh, baked strawberry toaster strudel. See the difference? I do.
Pillsbury toaster strudel, the one kids want to eat.
All I knew was I wanted to work on electronics, obviously. I wanted to have a really successful career. My name is Nathaniel Kirkman. I am a systems analyst. Well, I got my education from ITT Technical Institute. My wife thinks that my choice to go to ITT Tech is definitely the goals that I have for myself, my wife, and our life together to be able to pick and choose where we want to go. Also, lifestyle that we want to live. What I liked about ITT Tech was the fact that I like everything about ITT Tech.
We are educators helping people build a foundation for the rest of their lives. ITT Technical Institute, education for the future. To find out more,
That is my dumb dog barking at a remote.
visit us on the web. Get an education that can help you reach your goals. ITT Tech has information on financial aid for those who